I'm your host, Brian, and we got 3 different plants here for the landscape today. You can see this one's got a little yellow bloom on the top fixing to come out. But we got to get it up in the ground and hopefully that'll come out. It's supposed to rain later today. So this one here, this one is called, see, let's go down here so you can see. It makes a yellow bloom. It's called Athena Sun Eurypts, and it'll grow up to be about 2.5 feet tall, 2 feet, something like that. And this one here in the middle, it's a creeper. You can see it kind of kicks its stems straight out, so it's more like a ground cover, and it's in the morning glory family. So if you get up after lunchtime, you won't see this blooming. And of course, we got another Mexican heather here because it's a constant bloomer where I live in Conecuh County, Alabama, which is in the southern part of the state. It's really near the coast. And let's get these in the ground, and maybe we'll go hunt for some wildflowers here in a little bit. Well, I was headed to the store, and right here is what I'm looking for. Bees just love this stuff. I see them on it all the time. Here, it's all over the sides of the roads, but I'm going to dig this up and take it back to the house and put it in the yard. Well, we got these little daisy looking flowers all over the side of the road, and you can see they're making a seed pod. So I'm going to pick a few of these and take them back to the house and throw them off in a grassy area and let these come up. Of course, I've got the plant here that we picked up on the side of the road. You can get a good look at it, and it's a type of a clover. And then we picked up this little plant here. It's a Lithodora, and it's a type of creeper. It's real low growing. It's maybe 3 or 4 inches high, and then it gets that tall, and then the thing just kind of falls over, and then it runs along the ground, and it'll re-root up and continue to grow and make other plants. So let's get some of this stuff down. I've got a nice little hole dug for our creeper here in the garden. I know it's still a lot of grass and it's open, but I've got a long ways to go. It's such a large space, it's probably going to take me 3 years to get this like I wanted at least. So looks like I need to go a little bit deeper. Got a little bitty small shovel here. It's good for digging pot-sized holes like this. These flowers that you get at the store. Or if you find yourself assaulted by someone, maybe you could dig you a foxhole. Huh? How about that? Anyway, you break this dirt up real good and put it all around this plant. It's fixing to start raining here in just about an hour. It's been kind of sprinkling off and on today. It's supposed to rain really for the next couple of days. So these will get watered in really, really well. I won't even have to water them because they was just watered at the store. So we'll get this down. Now I'm hoping it'll do really well. Anyway, I'm your host, Brian. I appreciate y'all watching and joining me for this episode. Y'all have a good one, and we'll be back just as quick as we can with another video. Got the bee install April 21st, 2018 this year. Today is March the 17th, my brother's birthday. Happy birthday, Dwayne.